Hey guys, Julie here. You know what I did after class today? It dawned on me after we logged out that after all this talk about showing you how you can grade yourself and how you can gauge as you go, I then turned around and forgot to do it. So I'll go over this quickly Tuesday morning in class, but for those of you that are studying this weekend, I just wanted you to have this information now. You need a 75% to pass. So, I say if you're not making at least an 80% on the end of unit exams in your textbook or your end of unit quizzes in your textbook, then that should be a good indication to go back and review that unit. If you just want to do the minimum, all you need is a 75%. If you want to give yourself some wiggle room, strive for an 80% or higher. So once you take a quiz, either at the end of unit in the textbook or in Learn Test Pass, how do you know if you passed? Well, you might remember this problem you're looking at. We talked about the T-bar earlier today. And one of the easiest ways that I know to grade yourself is to use the T-bar. So if you look at, of course, down here, the bottom right is what? Rate or percent. So in this case, it's going to be your score. The bottom left is the total number of questions. How many questions are on this quiz you just took? And then the number in the top is going to be the number you got right. So let's say, for example, you're doing the quiz at the end of Unit 1 on pages 17 and 18. So the quiz on Unit 1, and that's a 20-question quiz. So the number, well, first off, start with where you want to end, right? What are you solving for? What's your X? In this case, what you're solving for is your score. You want your percentage. The total number of questions, this particular quiz has 20 questions. Let's just say you went through this and you got 15 right. The back fourth line means divide. So to find your score, you're going to take 15 and divide it by 20. And to solve for X, I'm getting 0.75 or 75%. Did you pass? Yes. Did you leave yourself any wiggle room? Not much. So if it were me, I would try to go back through Unit 1 and get another question or two, kind of up that. Even if I change this, let's just say I go back, I review the class notes, the recording, the YouTube channel, I read the book again, and now I've made a 17. I got 2 more questions right. Now when I take 17 and divide it by 20, I now have a score of 0.85, which shakes out to 85%. So that's what I wanted to show you today. I apologize. I live and breathe by notes. For some reason, I didn't write that down. It is written down now going forward, so hopefully I won't forget this again. Again, we'll go through this pretty quickly on Tuesday, but for those of you that are studying this weekend, I just wanted you to have this information now. Let me know if you have any questions. You guys have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Thank you.